Hello, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's my favorite time of the year. Welcome to Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2020. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I share with all of you some mouth-watering, down-home southern side dishes and desserts that'll be perfect for your holiday table. Your kitchen gonna smell phenomenal. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist for more recipes. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So turn on your stove, turn on your crock pot, grab your spices, roll up your sleeve, and put on your apron, sugar, because we're about to cook and bake some Thanksgiving magic in my southern kitchen. Let the holiday cooking and baking begin. Much love.